Aloha Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, April 19th. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have one active case in isolation and that case is hospitalized. We have no one in health-directed quarantine. Our cumulative case count is 235, including 200 confirmed locally, 2 probable, and 33 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. To date, we have administered more than 55,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines on Kauai. All Kauai residents aged 16 and older are eligible for COVID-19 vaccines at clinics around the island, and appointments are available for this week. To learn more about where to get a vaccine or to register, go to kauai.gov/vaccine. The Convention Hall Clinic is now accepting walk-ins without appointments for Kauai residents aged 60 and older, as well as residents with limited English proficiency, Tuesdays through Thursdays between 9 and 11 a.m. No Johnson & Johnson appointments will be scheduled until further federal guidance is received. If you have an existing J&J appointment, you will be offered to receive a Pfizer or Moderna vaccine. There are multiple benefits to becoming vaccinated. If you're fully vaccinated and are later identified as a close contact of a positive case, you will be exempt from the mandatory 10-day health-directed quarantine. In the case reported over the weekend, all close contacts were fully vaccinated and therefore were not subject to quarantine but are advised to monitor symptoms. Additionally, the county is working with the state to implement a program where fully vaccinated travelers may be exempt from the travel quarantine without pre-travel testing. An increasing number of countries allow visitors only if they have been vaccinated or have had COVID-19. Widespread community vaccination is why most of us have never had to fear getting polio, smallpox, tetanus, and hepatitis A and B. Getting vaccinated helps to protect us, our families, our workplace, and those most vulnerable in our community. Some of us are medically unable to get a vaccine, but if you are eligible and able, please consider getting vaccinated. To schedule an appointment, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. All travelers to Kauai, including inter-island and out-of-state travelers, can avoid the 10-day travel quarantine if they participate in the state's Safe Travels program by taking a pre-travel test from a state-trusted testing partner within 72 hours of departing to Kauai. Results must be uploaded to your online Safe Travels profile prior to landing. Be sure to keep a paper copy of your test in case you have trouble uploading your results. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of trusted testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We ask everyone, including incoming travelers, to download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification which alerts you if you have been in close contact with someone exposed to COVID-19. This app does not track your location. We also encourage travelers and those exposed to travelers to take a free COVID-19 test, which is available without appointment at the convention hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., Mondays through Fridays, except holidays. Visitors who take a post-travel test will receive a Kokua Kauai card, which offers discounts at participating businesses island-wide. For more information, visit kokuakauaicard.com. The Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union will administer Kauai's 2021 Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance. Applications are expected to open the first week of May. The program is designed to help individuals and families in Kauai County with rental and utility assistance. Eligible participants can pay for future rent, back rent, and utilities in arrears. KGEFCU will host a public webinar on the program on Wednesday, April 21st at 5 p.m. The webinar will be publicly posted for future viewing. For more details, see kauaiRentHelp.com. The Hawaii Department of Agriculture's Micro Grant for Food Security program has an application deadline of noon, Friday, April 23rd. The maximum grant award is $5,000 for a 12-month project and $2,500 for a 6-month project. Individuals, religious organizations, food banks, and food pantries may apply. For more information, visit the State Department of Ag website at hdoa.hawaii.gov. The Department of Parks and Recreation has announced that camping will return at Anini and Anahola Beach Park starting April 30th. To register for a permit, visit kauai.gov/parks. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and please avoid large gatherings, and please consider getting a vaccine. Together, we can help to keep Kauai safe.